I'm the one who have a golden voice. I'm a little bit, little teeny boy there.
Me too.
Excuse me.
This is the first time that we video.
We make video. Tagalog lang. Tapos di ka marunong mag-isip. Okay? And I'm Antoinette Vinase and he... what's her name?
Dasha May Guevara.
Dasha May Guevara and we're the Spice Girl. Yeah. We're going to have a game. You need to vote who is the golden voice. This is the game. This is the challenge where it's a golden voice to bring face. So first Dasha. Me first. I'm guessing. Okay. Okay. Wait, I'm gonna search. I'm gonna learn to let it go. It's fun. I'm gonna grow. I'd rather be happy. What, Rar? Just
Wait.
Yeah.
I'd rather be happy.
I'd rather be happy.
I'd rather be happy.
Happy. Okay. I'm gonna sing the part of Perry. Huh? Nothing. No, I don't want. So I'm gonna sing the little mix about the boy. The second part of Perry. So introducing Antoinette Vinase. Voila. Okay? Chupi. You gotta practice your own. Yeah. Get it there. Get it there. Okay.
Excuse me.
Your big butt there. I know you like to play it slow, but running out of time. It's just I lost my self-control. 'Cause you are the one, and you know what I've done. Come on down, baby, please. He got me good, I got it bad. He got me feeling like a girl gone mad. Got me running around like a love pool, taking me down, I can't stop. He got me up, I can't come down. He got me locked and I don't want out. I know his flame hot and I got no trust. Just something about the boy. Thank you. Okay, the next one is Dasha May Guevara. Okay, go. Nothing. I'm gonna play it. It's gonna make that. I'm gonna it, huh? Okay. Anything that you want.
Okay.
You need to vote, huh? You need to vote. What is the golden voice? Now we finally lift the grave. Let it go. Let it go. They called every part of me anyway. Standing. Okay, go.
Okay. I will start now. I used to bite my tongue and hold my breath.
Yeah.
Used to rock the boat and make a mess.
Oh.
So I said quietly, I breathe politely. I guess that I forgot I had a choice. I let you push me past that breaking point. I stood for nothing, so I fell for everything. You held me down, but I got up. Already rushing up the dust. You hear my voice, you hear that sound. That thunder gonna shake the ground. You held me down, but I got up. Get ready, 'cause I've had enough. I see it all, I see it now. I got the eye of the tiger, a fighter, dancing through the fire. 'Cause I am the champion, and you're gonna hear me roar louder, louder than a lion. 'Cause I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me roar, 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 roar.
cute. I'm gonna. Oh my god. It's like a snake butt. A snake butt. Cannot see all of it. It's like.
Okay, now.
It's like a snake skin. No.
But
Sometimes you can see this
we're
to
done.
my video.
Now we are done for the contest. So you all you will do is
Orin,
vote.
vote it. You can write my name, Tonet or TJ.
And you can vote me by
DJ.
DM.
DJ.
DM.
DJ.
Okay.
DJ.
DJ
Three
and
words of
DJ.
what you like to DJ. You can write it down there. Yeah, bro. Yeah, thank you. And here you can write my TJ sexy button. And three, what you want from me? So
And
so first I'm gonna tip you. I'm so entertaining, girl. I'm so funny. I'm so sexy. Oh, sorry, I'm gonna erase the. I'm so funny. Okay. So I'm with my golden voice. So goodbye. What are you gonna say, Noah?
so now this is start for voting. The
Okay.
end of this is
voting is February.
February
March.
7.
March. It has a March. March 8th.
Okay.
Oh no. March 9th. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna say to my daddy, Daddy, I'm gonna go to my friend and I'm gonna say who is the winner. And with the winner I will promote your studio.
And we will give you something.
Some tips.
Okay, we're done.
Wait, we're not yet done. Okay, finally I will say, if you like, my birthday is September 9, March 5, and it's like that. And if you like to give me some regards like that, gifts, because sometimes my friends didn't
And me.
give me some gifts.
Me
And
too.
And sometimes my friends in YouTube, I will say, they not giving me
Gift.
some gifts, so I'm gonna cry. So sorry.
My birthday is on March. So if you want to give us gifts, send us
some gifts. I want popping cookie, like one popping cookie.
I want some squishies.
No,
Rare.
or if you like to give me popping cookie or
Everything that you like.
like that, foul facts. I wish that I want to get foul facts. But sometimes I will give an international giveaway if we have
Wait.
like 350 subscribers. I will give away.
Wait.
I will give away.
Wait.
We have a plan.
This is the three
rules for that. First rule is you must be a subby yesterday. Example, I will upload the video in March 18th, and that's you need to subscribe me on March 17th. But I need to have a more subbies.
and
I want my face or his face to go in Ellen's gift.
And this is the three things that we like. First is
No. First, three that yes, we will tomorrow we will get we will upload what is my favorites and she's favorites. And the third rule is what's the third
Don't
rule?
forget to subscribe.
No, the first one is you must be a savvy. So first now if you watch my videos, you subscribe to my channel, to our channel. My channel, yeah. That is Kawaii Lover. Okay, sorry. Oh my gosh, I will make some other video. Turning around, other video again.
And you will make us trending.
Yeah, if we are trending, I will give you huge giveaway from us. And it's that, oh my gosh.
That beautiful
That's
surprise
many
for
surprising.
every
If you want
people.
the Toshiba, if you want the Toshiba TV like that. Okay, I'm so sorry.
So,
Oops, sorry.
okay,
So here's our background.
We're already done.
So we are already
Done!
oh, I'm so sorry. It's camera for.
No.
So we're done.
So, now,
So I will say, oh my gosh, man. So I will say goodbye. So
goodbye.